Love Island's Demi Jones has revealed that she has split from her boyfriend Miami after her cancer battle. It comes after weeks of speculation that the reality star, 23, and the music boss had gone their separate ways. 5. Love Island's Demi Jones has split from her boyfriend Miami after weeks of speculation. Credit, splash. 5. Demi was first linked to music boss Miami in June last year. Credit, Instagram/Miami1_. Demi and Miami had known each other for some time, but decided to give things a go in June 2021. But fans were convinced that their romance had ended after she posted a cryptic quote about finding herself again on Instagram last month. The Love Island star has now confirmed that the pair are no longer an item. Speaking exclusively to The Sun at the No. 7 Pro Derm Scan launch party, Demi said, "I am single. We did split unfortunately." The redhead beauty is happy being by herself for now, but is keen to get herself back out there in a few months' time. Speaking about her plans to start dating again, Demi added, "Until the weather gets warmer and my shorts are on. Yeah, dating in the summertime, now that everything is open so I can actually go out." Their breakup comes 4 months after Demi celebrated being cancer-free after a grueling year of battling thyroid cancer. Demi was diagnosed with the disease shortly after her stint on the first-ever winter edition Love Island at the beginning of 2020. After ignoring a lump in her neck, the TV star went to get it checked out and in May last year was told she had cancer. Demi, who placed third on the ITV dating show with Luke Mabott, shared every step of her journey with fans on social media. She had 2 operations to remove the cancer and later revealed that she had an anxious 6-month wait to find out if she had beaten it. Back in December, Demi told fans, "I'm cancer-free. I did it. I got my full body scan results back and there's not a single cancer cell left in my body. It's been such a difficult year mentally and physically for me with my surgeries and treatment, but I'm beyond grateful for everyone's kindness and support over this past year. I will continue to be an advocate for cancer awareness, and all my love and strength goes out to those who continue to fight this awful disease. Here's to a healthy and happy 2022. The No. 7 Pro Derm Scan service is available in 459 Boots stores across the UK and ROI, and bookings can be made in-store or online here. 5. Demi spoke to The Sun about her love life at the No. 7 Pro Derm Scan launch party last night. Credit, Rex. 5. Demi has openly shared her cancer battle with fans. Credit, Instagram. 5. Demi recently celebrated being cancer-free. Credit, splash.